at the Coca-Cola Arena here at the Royal Melbourne Show. Hey Melbourne, I've got an idea. Who wants to go jumping? Well, I tell you what, that thing is loud. It's really loud. So you're going to have to get louder than that. If you want Craig Christensen to jump, make some noise! Oh! Launching that thing. How about a 20-year experience driving monster truck? Make some noise for Craig Christensen and Extreme!
Generation, rocket station, celebration, destination.
Tell you what, he launched off of those tyres. That was a massive jump to start with. But who wants to see another one? Oh! It is game on for Monster Trucks for 2011. Make some noise for Craig Christensen. Yes. How's that? The first jump was big. The second jump was up. And have a look at that. He's launched the third one. There's no monster truck anymore. Crazy. How about it, folks? Will you please get loud for Craig Christensen and Extreme! You want to go again? You want to do another one? Who wants to do another one? He said he can't hear you! Alright, those first three jumps were awesome! We gotta wind him up! We gotta let him go! So Melbourne, get crazy! It's time to get airborne! Oh, going sideways and launching over those tyres! How about it, Melbourne? Craig Christensen, the United States and Australia's newest, baddest monster truck! Will you please bang your hands together and show him how much you love what he does? Put your hands together right now for Craig Christensen!